Hello friends. Today we are make home pizza. We are making. This is the raw material. This is Bone Prime premium pizza bread. Th- This is cheese, and this is chili flake. This is oregano that use on pizza base when it ready. And firstly we are chopping onions for pizza base. Now we are taking some sort of some vegetables, capsicum use on pizza base. It is totally home based pizza. This is Amul mozzarella cheese used on pizza base to make it delicious. This is Dr. Oetker Fun Food vegetable mayonnaise original that is also used on pizza base. And this is
Pizza.
Dr. Oetker Fun Food pasta and pizza sauce. These are the some material that we have using in pizza base. And finally we are ready for pizza. We are chopping vegetables for a pizza base. Now you can see easily this is tomato and this is the Amul cheese. This is cheese. We are cut it to the slice and then finally chopping the cheese for our delicious pizza base.
काकू वो हैंड में बैग ये डस्टबिन में फेंक दे.
Now we are taking pizza base. As you see, this is
काकू वो हैंड में बैग ये डस्टबिन में फेंक दे.
now we are taking pizza base. As you see, this is a pasta pizza sauce that we have put on pizza base. As you see, this is our pizza base. As you see, we have give a thin layer of pizza sauce and veg mayonnaise, as you've seen. And this is mozzarella cheese that we have put on pizza base.
Just in slices.
just small pieces of slices
Sweet.
to making it sweet. And finally we give a layer of cheese. After mozzarella cheese we have given some sort of vegetables, as you seen, capsicum, like this.
Some tomatoes. Bolo.
Some tomatoes, and as you seen,
Onions.
some onions, and it's basically mixed vegetables pizza. Finally we put that pizza in our Samsung oven, as you see. Cooking time is approximates 20 to 25 minutes. Finally we are putting a red sauce in it, on it after tomato. Now it's time to cook. Second pizza base also ready.
It's for me.
It's for my wife, me also. If you have any question regarding pizza, you can ask.
Can ask Prime Minister.
Using comments. And please subscribe our channel for new updates. If you love cooking. Its cooking time is approximately 20 to 25 minutes in microwave oven. This is yellow tomato sauce that we have put finally after putting chopping vegetables and cheese, mozzarella cheese and mayonnaise and pizza sauce. Normal cheese from milk store.
It's looking so yummy.
It's looking so yummy and my mouth is watering now. We also add cheese in our first pizza after 10 minutes and we put again into a
10 minutes.
oven for 10 minutes by adding some cheese. Actually our planning is changed, that's why planning is to add cheese, more cheese on pizza base after crushing. We also add cheese in our first pizza after 10 minutes and we put again into a
10 minutes.
oven for 10 minutes by adding some cheese. Actually our planning is changed, that's why planning is to add cheese, more cheese on pizza base after crushing. Now our pizza is ready. We will add
This looks so yummy.
we will add chili flake and oregano as per our taste.
Open the thing. बंद करो वीडियो.
This is chili flake and this is oregano. When we go to pizza shop, you can see small packets in which we have get chili flake and oregano, and we add as per requirement. Now pizza is ready. Thank you.